Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is refresh, back, and forward navigation. Back, forward, and refresh are common real user actions. In automation, handling them correctly prevents flaky behavior. We already discussed this in page navigation methods. Navigation is not only opening a URL, navigation also means moving through browser history. Playwright supports this directly through page methods, back navigation, forward navigation, and reload. These methods are important in real projects. When user navigates between screens, the app redirects. You need to validate history behavior or you want to recover from a stale UI by refreshing. The main point is after any navigation, the page state changes. So your script must remain synchronized. Here in the sample script, I open Cogmento first using the go to async method. Navigates to the starting page. Then I open another page. This gives us browser history to test backward and forward. Now I go back to go using go async method where I use ui.cogmento.com, which means Cogmento login page. After opening the login page, I use go back to async method, which moves to the previous page in the history, that is Cogmento page. Now I use go forward async method, which moves to the next page in the history. After that, I try to reload the page using reload async method, which reloads the page and re-renders the UI. After refresh, the DOM can change. So using correct navigation methods keep automation stable. If I run the script, then you will have better understanding. First, Cogmento page. Second, login page. Again, Cogmento page. Again, login page. Again, refreshes the same page. If you see, Cogmento page is open. Page is very slow, so that's why it is loading. You see, we received timeout exceeded. I will try to rerun again. I will try to rerun again. It navigated to the login page. Again, Cogmento page. Again, login page is reloaded again. So this is how we use back, forward, and reload exactly like a real user. And always assume that page state can change after navigation. If you see here, first we open Cogmento page, then login page. Then it went back to Cogmento page. Again, login page. We reloaded the login page. I press enter, it will be closed. So always remember, navigation changes state. Stay synchronized.